Hi, welcome back to our channel. Let's unbox a powerful edge AI system that's built for real-world performance. Orin Nano HyperEdge Micro is an edge AI system built on the NVIDIA Jetson Orin Nano, featuring Ubuntu 20.04, 4G support, and a rugged aluminum alloy design with active cooling. As we open the box, you'll see a compact yet solid build, designed with fan structure cooling, lightweight size and novel appearance, rich I/O interface types, and reserved bottom bracket for on-site installation. We also provide complete cable solutions for seamless integration. The device offers versatile connectivity with RJ45, USB 3.0, HDMI 2.0, RS232, CAN, and micro USB, making it suitable for multiple applications. It can be applied to robots, UAV, low-altitude defense, intelligent inspection, smart buildings, and other autonomous machines. It is an ideal carrier for deploying AI computing for deep learning at the edge, helping you deploy faster, integrate smarter, and build with confidence.